I made $4,000 online without lifting a finger just by selling t-shirts with Ghibli-style images. Right now, these designs are trending and people love them. Out of 516 t-shirts sold, I still have 480 more orders pending. This success comes because Ghibli images are unique, attractive, and viral. Many creators are now making these designs with just 2 clicks using AI. But before AI, creating Ghibli-style animation was a massive challenge. A single 4-second clip took an artist over a year to complete, drawing each frame by hand. He devoted his life to this art, and when AI-generated Ghibli-style images appeared, he called it an insult to his work. Watch this clip. But here's the reality. People love AI-generated Ghibli designs, and that's why we can turn this into a high-income online business using print-on-demand. What is print-on-demand? Print-on-Demand, POD, is a business model where you design clothes, mugs, phone cases, and more by adding text and images. When someone buys your product, the platform prints and ships it for you. You don't have to handle inventory or shipping. Popular platforms like Teespring, Redbubble, and Printify let you sell your designs worldwide. But here's why many people fail. They create boring designs that nobody wants to buy. We're different. We use Ghibli-style images, which are already viral on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Right now, this niche has little competition. That means huge profit potential. Now, let's dive into it. Step 1. Generate Ghibli-style images using Stable Diffusion. First, we need to create stunning Ghibli-style images using Stable Diffusion, an AI-powered tool that generates images instantly. 1. Download and install Stable Diffusion, if not using online tools, or visit StableDiffusion.com for an online version. 2. Enter a text prompt to generate a Ghibli-style image. Example prompt: a beautiful Ghibli-style fantasy landscape with a cozy village, soft colors, and warm lighting, anime aesthetic. 3. Click Generate and wait for AI to create your image. 4. Download the best image and save it as a high-resolution PNG. Now, we have a high-quality Ghibli-style image that we can turn into a t-shirt design. Step 2. Prepare and design the t-shirt. Next, we'll place our AI-generated Ghibli image onto a t-shirt using Open Pixellab for designing one. Go to Pixellab 2, transparent background, and delete the text 3. Upload the Stable Diffusion Ghibli image. 4th, and add text under image. Example: Anime King in a stylish Ghibli font. 4. Export the final design as a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background. Now, our t-shirt design is ready to sell. Step 3. Upload to print-on-demand platforms. Now, we'll upload our design and start selling on a print-on-demand platform like Teespring, Redbubble, or Printify. Create a seller account 1. Go to teespring.com or Redbubble Printify. 2. Click Start Selling. Sign up with email or Google. 3. Set up your store. Add a store name like Ghibli Arties B. Upload your t-shirt design 1. Click Create and choose this t-shirt template. 2. Upload your PNG design. 3. Adjust the placement and size on the t-shirt. 4. Choose color options. Black, white, blue are best. Set your price. Recommended $24.99 to $29.99 for good profits. 6. Write a catchy title and description. Title: Limited Edition Ghibli Fantasy Tee. Description: Inspired by Ghibli magic, this unique design is a must-have for anime lovers. 7. Click Publish to make your t-shirt live. Your t-shirt is now available for customers to buy. Step 4. Get sales using marketing strategies. Now, let's drive traffic to our store and start making sales. Promote on Instagram and TikTok 1. Open Instagram or TikTok. 2. Create a short video showing the AI-generated design process. The t-shirt mock-up. A call to action. Get yours now. Link in bio. 3. Use viral hashtags: the Ghibli-style, anime t-shirt, Studio Ghibli, Print-on-Demand, Side Hustle 4. Post daily and engage with comments to boost reach. B. For very high revenue, you can run cheap ads. $5 per day strategy. 1. Open Facebook Ads Manager. 2. Choose traffic campaign. Select Instagram and Facebook as platforms. 3. Target Ghibli fans, anime lovers, AI enthusiasts. Set a budget of $5 per day to test demand. By doing this, we can get our first sales quickly. Bonus, offer custom Ghibli print services for extra income. Want to earn even more? Offer custom Ghibli prints as a service. Screen recording actions. 1. Create an Instagram business page for custom designs. 2. Post a reel showcasing your t-shirt design process. 3. Add a caption. Want your Ghibli-style art on a t-shirt? DM me now. 4. Charge customers $25 to $50 per custom print. 5. Use Printify to fulfill orders and ship directly to customers. First take his image and convert it into Ghibli image and then upload on Teespring and give link to your customer to buy t-shirt. This is a great side income with little extra effort. And that's how you can make money selling Ghibli-style t-shirts with AI and print on demand. If you found this helpful, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more AI business ideas. Follow me on Instagram for daily tips. Links